Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Queen Miranda from Sofia the First with this red gown look and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and combine it with this one. For this hairstyle, you're going to change the toggle to back and remove all the flowers and color it with this color. And then this hairstyle, you're going to remove the bangs and make it the same color. And then put on this necklace, make it this color and also this one. And then you're going to put on this heels, make it this color. And also for the second selection. And then this earring, make it white. Okay, and then this hat, this is from the VIP room. If you don't have VIP, you can skip this item. If you have VIP, you can put on this item and color it like this. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room. And from the changing room, I'm going to select this item. And then we're going to color it with this color for the first selection. And for the inner coat, I'm going to make it this color. This one. And then for the fur trim, just leave it like that. And then for the bodice, I'm going to make it this color. And chains, make it this color. And then for the color, make it this color. Okay, and now it's done. And then I'm going to change the material to glitter. Alright, done. And then I'm going to put on this skirt. And we're going to remove the layer. And for this skirt, we're going to make it this color and then change the material to glitter. Alright, and then let's move to the next area. I'm going to put on this gloves. And for this gloves, we're going to remove the fur and apply this color. Okay. And then the next one, we're going to go to the world culture clothing area. Put on the skirt. And then you're going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then we're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, and then combine it with this dress. For this dress, you're going to choose only skirt. And then you're going to color it with the same red color. Okay, and then this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.